Hi everyone, I've been on a salmon kick lately and wanted to make something quick but tasty, so I made these honey miso salmon bites. And they were so good, I thought I'd share it with you. You can make these in under 20 minutes and it's time well spent, so let's jump right in. First we need to cut our salmon into pieces. We just need to take the skin off the salmon and cut these into cubes. I wouldn't cut them any bigger than 3/4 of an inch because they're just going to take too long to cook. Now we need to season our salmon. We want to add some sesame oil so our spice is going to have something to stick to, and I'm using my grill spice, but honestly this is more of an all-purpose spice. It has garlic, onion, salt, pepper, celery seed, and smoked paprika, and then just give everything a mix and set it aside. The sauce for this is pretty straightforward. We need to grate our ginger and our garlic, and then cut our green onions. And that's all we need to do to prep our sauce. Let's get to cooking our salmon. You want your pan on medium-high heat and add some oil. Add the salmon and cook it until it starts to get color on one side, then turn them and let them cook until they get some color on the other side as well. I also do these in 2 batches so the pan isn't overcrowded and the salmon gets a nice color on it. When they're ready, take them out and let them rest on a paper towel to soak up any extra oil. We just need to make our sauce, and we're going to start with some butter, then add our garlic and ginger. I'm going to cook this until it starts to get a little brown on it. Then add our white miso, some rice wine vinegar, low sodium soy, and mix this around until the miso breaks up. Now add the honey, and then we just need to reduce by about half. I want to have it a little bit spicy, so on this I'm going to add a little bit of sriracha to it. If you're looking for your sauce to be about this consistency when it's done reducing, then we're going to add a little bit more butter just to finish the sauce. Once everything's reduced down, check the flavor, make sure it's how you want it. If you need to add a little more vinegar or salt, whatever you need to, just go ahead and do that now. Then add the salmon and give it a mix so the salmon is coated with the miso honey sauce. And your salmon should look something like this. It has a nice light coating of our miso honey glaze. Then we just need to top these with some toasted sesame seeds and our green onions, and you've got a delicious and easy dish. It's sweet with a touch of spice, earthy from the miso, and just super tasty. One thing I like to do to make this more of a meal is eat this miso salmon with some steamed rice and seaweed and make little tacos out of it. You can also just put it over a bowl of rice, have a nice steamed salmon bowl. Thanks for watching my video on how to make miso salmon honey bites. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. See you next time.